mga tropang tangero, dahil whole week ngayon, no? So kailangan pa rin natin magpalakas at maintain physical fitness test pa rin. Dahil maraming nga tayong nakain tong araw na to, dahil maraming handaan. Pero kailangan pa rin natin mag physical fitness test araw-araw. Kaya kukunin natin ngayon ang 50 push up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,